Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a few wood hearts. I'm going with here some Chubby Cheek decor here, and I lost footage on the beginning of my video because I had painted these and I don't know what happened, but anyway, I used with the green paint is chalk paint, and then the other heart is the Shabby Cheek tape writing that I ordered from Amazon, and I will have that in my list below. And then I had some nice little lace here that I ordered also from Amazon, and I will have all of that in my description below. And I think it turned out really cute. I was just disappointed that I had lost the footage on painting and also using the tape. The tape wasn't the very best. I like the decor, I like the way it looked, but it just, I don't know whether it was too heat, had gotten too hot, maybe where they stored it at, but it just raveled and just come off in small bits and pieces. But once I got it onto my heart, I did just Mod Podge it down some, so it turned out to be cute in the end, and I thought that was very nice the way that it turned out. And then the other one, I have these two, but it was some printables that I had gotten from one of the crafters, and I can't remember her name. I'm so sorry about that. So she had some printables in her description that you could use for the shabby cheek. So I decided to print out that and use it in my area that I want to use for my rustic and shabby cheek look and all of that. I just love vintage and rustic and farmhouse and shabby. It's just really nice. I just really enjoy it. So to do something a little different on one portion of the house, I thought would be really nice. So here is some music notes here that I had, and I use for these two. I use my glue stick that I got from the Dollar Tree, which works just as well, and in some projects even better than the Mod Podge. So right here, I just used my glue sticks for this. Excuse me. And I really like the way these turn out. Very, very simple, and something that's nice and quick that don't take a long time, is what I'm going for. And it looks really, just nice to me, something just simple but very nice. So, and I did the same exact thing for the other, just you, trimmed it and cut it out and used my glue sticks that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm just gonna add a little bow to the both of them, and that will finish that part up with my little vintage look that I'm also going for. I just have all of them in the same family: my vintage, my rustic, my farmhouse, my shabby chic. I just love it. And this is such a good bargain to me. The glue sticks, you get four of them for the $1.25. Um, you know, for the glue sticks, I think that's a really good bargain there with the glue sticks here. And then I found some little old pearls that I had, and I cut those and added them to my hearts, and I just like the finishing of it with the little pearls. And now that I'm doing my crafting, the little pearls and things get old, you would throw them away. But now, when you do your crafting, you save these things, and it just add, that little extra that you're looking for to your decor. Okay, and this is the other wood heart that I have, the small one. And what I'm using here is I had a recipe from an old cookbook, and I soaked it in coffee overnight, let it dry it out, and then I burn the ends of it, and it give me that shabby, rustic look all into one that I'm looking for here. And I'm going to use my the glue stick to just glue it down when I finish, and just add, a little bow with the twine, and to give a different variety here to use. So I'm using the glue stick again here. And I was going to use my lace, and I just decide on this one to just use my twine with this, and put a nice little bow there with another little type of old bead that I was going to throw away. And I got my little jewelry box that I keep jewelry in for my crafting now. So, rather than, you just let them sit and sit, and you don't really use them anymore. So now I'm so happy because I can use them in my crafting. So I'm doing something useful with it now. And so, and this was all I needed for this one. And the little pink box here, I painted that, and I got it from the Dollar Tree. And this is the other wood heart that I used to from the Shabby Chic paint. I'm sorry, not paint, from the Shabby Chic tape that I got. And it sticks well, but as I said earlier, I didn't like the way it just come off in little scripts and pieces, or whatever. But I did end up putting some little Mod Podge on the outside of it to hold it down. And here I got this scrap paper from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use the pink for the area that I have in my living room, where I have my pinks and reds from. And I just really thought it was a really cute little print for Valentine Day, so I put that on my large heart here. And this is the finishing of all my little wood hearts, and I just think it just come out so cute. I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so every time I upload a video you will be notified. Thank you so much. And this is the finishing of my large pink heart. Again, I think it turned out really cute, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.